Good morning, friends. We are starting this day off with a little morning skincare routine. I am first going to wash my face, and then of course we gotta brush our teeth. I'm going in with a little bit of a whitening mouthwash, then going in with an exfoliating toner. I love an exfoliating toner. Then I can't go a day without a vitamin C serum. Doing a little anti-aging serum here, my Image Skincare Vitamin C Eye Serum, using a little bit of my Grande Lash to help my lashes grow, finishing it off with some City Lips to moisturize my lips, and some SPF. All these products will be listed in the description box, of course. I can't start the day without a cup of coffee. I do take a bunch of vitamins every morning, so I'm going to show you exactly what I take each morning, but first, coffee. Here is my vitamin lineup. I know this looks like a lot, but I swear by all of these. I take them daily, starting with some vitamin B gummies, and then I had to finish off my coffee really quick. Next, I go in with my Mary Ruth's multivitamin. This is specifically formulated for women. It is the best multivitamin I've ever used. And then I also go in with the Mary Ruth's iron supplement. And then I go in with this trim product from Modere, and I mix in the Axis Trebiotic. The trim helps with fat metabolization, and it has a hyaluronic acid complex, and the Axis Trebiotic helps with digestion and gut health. And then I go with my Juice Plus gummies, and I will again have all of these listed in the description box for you. Now there's lights. It is Saturday, and I've got a lot of running around to do today. Lots of errands to run. My makeup room is an absolute disaster. I've got packages to unpack. I'll maybe do a little unboxing in this video so that you guys can see some of the PR that I've received. But right now I'm gonna do just like a quick face so that I can get on the road. I've got to get my tires changed today. I'm picking up my niece today. Some cleaning to do. I've got clothes to wash. I just got a package from e.l.f. I actually purchased a bunch of products from e.l.f. This was not PR. They just came out with their new e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. This is the one that has niacinamide in it, which is one of my favorite skincare ingredients. I am a skincare girly. You guys saw my little skincare routine this morning. And you know, it changes from day to day. It just depends on what I feel like my skin is needing that day. Okay, this feels really good. It doesn't feel to me as sticky as the original green Power Grip Primer. I love a sticky primer because I feel like it just like holds that foundation on your skin. I interrupt your regularly scheduled program today to tell you about something that I've already told you about a million times. It is that time of the month where I partner with one of my favorite brands, Dossier. What is Dossier? I am glad you asked. They are a luxury-inspired perfume brand where you can get the same fragrances that you find in your department stores for a fraction of the cost, and I'm going to show you exactly why I love them. So you get it in this little box right here. It says iconic scents, designer quality, no markups, and that is what I love. You are literally getting the same quality fragrance that you would get for hundreds and hundreds of dollars for literally $30 to $50, depending on what fragrance you want. This right here is my all-time favorite. This is Ambery Saffron. It has notes of orange blossom, jasmine, saffron. You get this little insert in your perfume box, and it tells you what it's inspired by. This one is inspired by Baccarat Rouge 540, one of the most expensive if you are talking about department store fragrance prices. This right here tells you what their mission is. Our mission is to deliver the highest quality, luxury-inspired fragrances at a fair price, giving you the freedom to explore new scents. Thanks for giving us a try. Thank you for allowing me to give you a try because I love this brand. Let me show you what my collection of perfumes looks like. It's embarrassing. This is not a fancy way to display my perfumes. I understand that. This is all of my fragrances, like everything that I own. All of these are body sprays. This whole bin, I've got five fragrances that are not Dossier. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 bottles of Dossier fragrances. They're all different scents because I'm obsessed with so many different ones. This is what my collection looks like, you guys. And I've always been a fragrance perfume kind of girl. So the fact that I've pretty much gotten rid of all of my department store fragrances and I only gravitate towards my Dossier fragrances says a lot. These fragrances last all day long on me. I typically wear this one the absolute most, and I just like bathe in it because it's that good. It's that good. While you're already getting these at an incredible price, I do have an extra little discount. I believe it's 10% off, but I'll leave everything in the description box. Again, if you haven't tried them, please, please, please give them a try. I really think that you're gonna be super impressed. Okay, I'm gonna mix a little bit of the Hollywood Flawless filter. I actually like the e.l.f. version of this much, much better, but you know, I'm not gonna waste my money that I've spent on this. I like to mix it with the L'Oreal True Match Nude Hyaluronic Tinted Serum Foundation. Both of these together are like a glowy dream. If you don't like glowy, dewy skin, we can still be friends. Sticking with the glowy, hydrated theme, I'm gonna go in with the Kosas Revealer Concealer. If you have dry, crepey under eyes, this is a really awesome, really hydrating concealer. It's honestly really beautiful. I love it. So tell me what has been going on. I feel like I've missed you guys for a few weeks. Life has been absolutely insane the last couple of weeks. We've had a really hard few weeks. A lot of transition, a lot of hard decisions. We lost our best friend of 10.5 years, our kitty cat Blue. I know you guys have seen him in previous videos. I didn't show him a ton. I showed him more on like Instagram stories. He was the best kitty in the entire world. And literally I miss him more and more every single day. I have to show you guys this cute little product that I recently got. This is the Play Bento from Kaja. It's in the shade Cloud Latte, but it comes with your contour, your blush, and your highlight. And the contour it's a cream contour, but it is so beautiful. Like, this is such a great little travel kit. I don't know what you call it. Like, seriously, look how beautiful that cream product blended out. I am going to top it or set it with this Solarized bronzer from the brand Crunchy. If you are into clean makeup, you need to check out this brand. They have like the cleanest makeup on the market. I think I've pretty much loved everything that I've tried from them so far. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with the blush in that same little trio. I just can't get over how like easy these blend. You've got the highlight, which is also really, really beautiful. It's more of like a subtle highlight. It's not super in your face, but it gives you just the most beautiful glow. Give me all the glow, because I want it. I want the glow. I've also been testing out this new brow soap from e.l.f. Here's what the top looks like. I don't like their original like brow gel, but the brow soap is really nice. Do you see that difference? It just kind of like pushes them up and holds them in place and gives more of that like laminated look, which is what I prefer. And then from there, I just like to go in with the Glossier Brow Flick. It's gonna make my brow just look a lot fuller. Makes it look like real hair, which is what I really, really love. Now I have thick, floofy brows, and I'm into the floofy brow life. Okay, I just quickly did a little something with the eyes. I can't tell you what it is because the palette's not out yet, but I'm gonna go in with this Essence Extreme Lasting Waterproof Eye Pencil, Silky Nude. And I'm just gonna put that right there in the waterline just to kind of open up the eyes a little bit. Going in with the new Telescopic Lift Mascara from L'Oreal. I actually did a review on this mascara on TikTok and it is incredible. There's a lot of controversy on TikTok going on about this mascara right now. If you're on TikTok, then you already know. I can promise you I did not have any falsies on in my review of it, and my review was 100% honest. Like, this mascara is legit. Like, come on. That's one coat. That's good mascara. Okay, for lips, I did Rinna Beauty lip liner in the shade In the Nude, and then the Rinna Beauty lipstick. This is in the shade Stripped. Love this combo. A little Fabloox Aqua Blur Light Setting Spray. This locks everything in. Okay, my hair really needs to be washed, so I don't think I'm gonna even have time to do anything with it, but I'm gonna go change and maybe just put this in a messy bun. We gotta roll. We're doing this clip vertical so that you guys can see my outfit. So here's what I did with my hair. Again, just a messy bun because I don't have time to wash it. I've got this little necklace that I got from Lady Code Cosmetics. I got these little earrings from TJ Maxx. No, not TJ Maxx, Target. This is from American Eagle. This little tank top is from Amazon. I have it linked in my Amazon store. And then these pants are Kendall and Kylie, and I got these from TJ Maxx. The shoes are from TJ Maxx, the little black boots. A little comfortable outfit, perfect to go running errands in. And that's the outfit. About to pick up Starbucks. That's a cutie.
I gotta take a picture of my coffee. 5.
Oh, you can't. I forgot. Caramel crunch frappuccino. There's 3 wooden crosses on the side. Okay, I'm back in my car. I've got my tires in my back seat. They just changed my tires out. We're headed back home. Oh, I am looking so shiny. I feel like this entire day has gotten away from me, but I'm trying to get at least through the PR packages that I received. That way I can organize everything and get rid of the boxes and recycle them and all of that good stuff. So let me show you what I have gotten. I still have to take photos of everything for Instagram, but let me show you this. So I got this from Caudalie, some skincare. I got a bunch of skincare stuff from Naturium, a body wash from Naturium. I got these new powder foundations from Bare Minerals. I don't know how I feel about a powder foundation for my 42-year-old skin, but I'll definitely give it a try. I'm really excited for these. These are the new cream, I think it's a cream blush from Colfi. I love the brand Colfi. This is another product from Naturium. This is an SPF Dew Glow. Ooh, a glowy SPF. I'll take that. This is from Dr. Dennis Gross. These are amazing. This is their universal daily peel. Helps with texture and uneven skin. Like, it's just so good. I got all of these lipsticks from Hourglass, which again, one of my favorite brands. I got my favorite sponge of all time. This is the Stands Out Beauty Sponge. If you do makeup and you don't own the sponge, you need it. It's so good. Then over here, we have some products from Murad, and I believe, yeah, these are for eczema control. So if you've got really super dry, flaky skin, this is probably a really good line for you. Then I have got this right here. This is products from the brand Curl Days. I got some of my favorite products from City Beauty. Then I got this package from Madison Reed. This candle, holy macaroni, it smells incredible. Last but not least, I got this little package from Kiehl's. Let me get it open. This is literally a big ball of chocolate, and it comes with this little hammer, and I'm gonna smash it, and it's got product inside, so let's do it. Oh my gosh. Okay, so inside we have their Ultra Facial Cream, Ultra Facial Advanced Repair Barrier Cream. That's what was inside. Okay, and then the last package that I believe I have right now is from Pixi, and it's more skincare. I've got tons of skincare. I'm going to be doing a huge giveaway. Go check out my Instagram and my TikTok. I'll be doing them there. I am so exhausted, but gotta go shower. All right, I am all clean. I'm gonna go in with this Brazilian 68 from Sol de Janeiro. It's their number 68 scent. Oh my gosh, the original scent is amazing, but this, And the worst part is that I have to do my hair. I'm so tired. I don't feel like doing it, but I need to do it and get it completely dry before I go to bed. My hair literally dries so fast. By the time I get out of the shower and change and take my towel off, it's like probably 40% dry. It's crazy. So I have to re-wet it before I even style it. And I'm not going to share what I'm using in this video because I'll be sharing more about these products later this month or later next month or whatever month we are in. Scrunch, scrunch, scrunch. Now it's time to scrunch with my t-shirt towel. And then I'm going to diffuse and I'll be right back. These are the results, and I am going to bed. I really hope you guys enjoyed this day in the life, and let me know if you want to see more of these. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.